talk about the beauty of Forex. Now, all that is good, all that is lavish, all that is wonderful. However, I managed to borrow 200,000 rands and pay it back within a period of 8 days. Welcome to another video. It's your boy, Zulu. Today, I'm going to be talking about Forex trading. I'm going to be sharing with you my experience as well as my journey as a Forex trader. I am also going to show you how much money I have made and how much money I have lost ever since I started in this Forex journey. So, just a little history. I started trading Forex in 2020, just after COVID hit. And during that time, I was doing my boiler making apprenticeship and I was earning 3,900 a month. So you can imagine, I wasn't going to be satisfied with that much. So one day I decided to surf the internet and look for other streams of income. I've obviously heard about Forex. However, I did not know how to trade or what was going on. So I then went on to the internet again and searched for people who are in the Forex industry. Yes, right here in South Africa. And then I came across this lady, which I'm not going to mention her name, but she was selling a Forex course for 250. It was a monthly subscription, which wasn't bad for me because I needed something or some form of education. And when I was searching for other people out there, they were charging for like 3,000 rands, a mentorship, 4,000 rands, and I didn't have that money. So 250 every month was pretty decent for me to just learn about Forex and to try and understand what exactly is going on in the Forex industry. So it took me 4 to 5 months learning about Forex. And then I felt like I was comfortable enough to start trading. Guys, was I wrong? Because after I was done learning about Forex, I then opened an account, okay, a trading account. And then I deposited, I think it was about 350. That was my initial deposit. I deposited 350 and I started trading. So guys, I don't need to tell you what happened because you know what happened. You've all guessed it. I blew that money within a couple of hours because I didn't use risk management. I didn't analyze the charts. I just saw the markets moving and then I was like, okay, I'm going in. And the worst part was I went in just after a news event. So if any of you don't know what a news event is, that's basically when something on the internet is moving the markets, or a news event broke out, or there was a shooting in Russia or whatever. It's just an example, guys. And then that's going to move the market either down or up. And when I entered that trade, I entered the trade at a very terrible time to enter a trade. So I blew that amount within a couple of hours. It was gone and I was heartbroken. Chest pains, yeah, they will bend you, Mfanagiti. So if there's one thing about me is I am so resilient and I'm so persistent. So I went back to the drawing board and I started gathering my thoughts. I started finding out what did I miss, what is it that I did wrong, only to find out it was just minor things. I was greedy, I was not patient enough, and I thought I knew everything. And guys, I need to emphasize this. Once you learn how to trade Forex, you need to also learn the psychology of Forex, which is something I didn't take to account. So I learned that the hard way. I don't need to tell you guys how many times I blew my account because the amount of money that I lost, it's a lot. However, I managed to gain a lot of money and I managed to lose a lot of money, guys, because this is a very volatile business. And yes, guys, Forex is not gambling, it is a business. And don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Forex is legit. Forex is a business, and I am 100% a Forex trader. So this is me going to the bank and borrowing 200,000 rands to trade Forex. This is me paying my initial installment within a period of 4 days. And this is a screenshot of the debt fully paid within a period of 8 days. Talk about the beauty of Forex. Now, all that is good, all that is lavish, all that is wonderful. However, I managed to borrow 200,000 rands and pay it back within a period of 8 days. How did I do it? Well, it wasn't easy. It was a very tough decision that I needed to make. I went to the bank without being pushed by anyone. I decided I needed a shift in my life. Yes, I am currently working. I have a full-time job as a boilermaker, and I would believe I'm making a decent amount of money. So if all goes wrong, or if anything goes wrong, I know that I can be able to pay back the monthly installments until I finish with the loan. Now, the next part is probably going to take a significant dive. After a couple of weeks of making that money and paying back the bank, I blew that account. Yes, I did withdraw about 20,000 rands and did a few things with it. But after I did all of that, I blew that account. And after blowing that account, I was so heartbroken, guys. Literally, I had more money than I ever had in my entire life. And then within a couple of days later, I blew that account. It was a dark period for me, and I was so emotional. I was so down. I didn't even want to speak to anyone. I didn't even want to go to work, guys, because I had money and then suddenly it wasn't there. However, I needed to learn that lesson in order for me to trade the right way. Okay, I am still trading till this day. I will never give up on trading. I have never made the amount of money that I've made in my entire life. And I've never made 200,000 rands before, and I made it through trading, and it was a wonderful journey. It was a wonderful thing to experience, knowing that you have money, you can just decide today, I just want to go and spend maybe 1,000 rand somewhere for no reason. It's a good feeling. However, I would like to believe that I am a minimalist. So some of you say call minimalism people who are stingy. Yeah, I believe that's me. I'm someone who doesn't like buying things without a reason. So yeah. However, I did manage to spend that money with my partner. I did manage to spend that money with my brother and my parents, and I did manage to spend that money buying furniture for my room. So my story ends there, guys. So yeah, if you have enjoyed that story, please like the video and comment down below, guys. I know there's a lot of you who have stories to tell. It might not be about Forex, it might be about something else. Yeah, just comment down below. Tell me what you went through. Did you blow some money? Rent money? Did you blow? There's a lot of story guys out there, so please comment down below. Tell me your story. I would like to know. I would like to have fun, guys, with your story. So that was my story. It's not a dark story. It's not a terrible story, but it is a lesson. It is something that I would like people to know. And yeah, so no, guys, I am not teaching people Forex. I am not mentoring anyone, because I am still learning Forex till this day. Yes, I started trading Forex in 2020, but I'm still learning, guys. I am not talking about Forex with anyone. I don't speak about Forex. This is basically the first time I'm telling people about Forex. And yeah, so if you want to learn more about Forex, I will plug you with the right people to learn Forex. I will plug you with the right people so that you can learn Forex the right way. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe and turn on your notifications for when I do post another video, which should be premiering next week, probably during the week, maybe Wednesday or Thursday. I'm going to be sharing another video because I recently started a business. So I'm going to be talking about that very soon. So yeah, guys, I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.